Hello friends, I wanted to show you what I had in mind since it seemed like there was confusion. Okay, so I have already made a screencast for these 3 slides that I made. And after I did that, I posted it to a YouTube channel. And now I'm going to put the screencast on to the slide. I made an empty slide here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do insert video, and I'm going to search. You can search by doing this, but it's going to be hard to find. I'm going to search by URL. I'm going to go to the video I have already created. I'm going to copy it, the URL, I'm going to paste it in the search bar. Look, there it is. Select. Look at that. So now I can put this right here. It's not super fancy because now it's going to be like, I don't know. I'll show you.
All right, we are now in critiques
Right.
and questions of
So now it's going to be like a YouTube thing on a YouTube thing, but I figured you can just like embed it so that way it's easy, and then maybe I'll make a little thing on the side here that says, you know, slides follow. Anyways, I know some of you were curious of how to do that, so just wanted to make this happen. See you soon.